Hi everyone. Boy, am I in a pickle. I'm trying to clean out my pantry, downsized into jars. I got all this room now that I put into the half-gallon jars. But no matter how hard I try, I've got an oxygenator inside here, and I am working with the food saver, and I've got the cord in where it belongs. I put the lid on, everything seems right, there's nothing there, there's nothing in this way. I put the lid on. Now watch it work. I push that down tight. I got it on high and dry, and I'm going to push canister. It won't seal. I don't know what's going on. It's like it wants to seal, but it's not. It's driving me crazy. I've gotten 4 different lids. Oh my gosh, I gotten 4 different lids. But now listen. Now they say when you hear that noise, it's sealed. Now it worked. Oh my God, Becky. Okay. So now I'm not in such a pickle. But if I can get the rest of them all to work, I'll be a happy camper. So here's my question to y'all. I was told that people like watching their pantry being, us cleaning out our pantries. Well, mine's a mess. After a year of between husband and I and the kids and anybody else just taking stuff in, putting it on the shelf, no organization, gadgets, you name it, it's in that spare room. I will take you through a quick walkabout and show you, and then it's up to you if you want to see me do cleaning of my pantry. All right, let's get this rolling. Okay, so I did the walkthrough with the pantry with you. What do you think? You want to go on it with me, this adventure of cleaning the pantry? If so, make sure you tell me so down below. If not, say not below, whatever. All right, everyone. I got to get back to cleaning. Have a great day. Big hugs from my pantry to yours.